The system's designed to have two systems where you can be running one product on one end while the other product is running on the other end. The two cells are designed to work simultaneously with the same product or a different product.
The benefits of it being programmed with continuous operation is that we're able to do work setup and we're able to do work in process simultaneously.
There are no breaks. It just runs all the time.
People are able to stay busy, doing value-added work all the time.
The changeover process helped them really control how quickly they were able to make these products. And that really led to the most productivity increases.
No stoppages, which helps our uptime, which is obviously great for product delivery to our customers. So it's been a good success for us there as well.